Kaffi varajtek. Dewejja!
Zbieħ, ħafna.
Kemm żbieħu?
Le, għana għamiltilhom daw, kemm dejju.
Inti għad seqret. Wejja vera ġew żbieħ.
Kisrulek sniegħek naw.
Mhux ikisrulek sninek. Di iva, di ma tikolix tan-nofs. Għara kemm ġew żbieħ. Għaġbuk. L-huwa tiegħi.
Sitta ta' vlodu għadunta.
Bonġu nis. Jina għadni għasi ġifiri xsilt wiċċi, istaħsil snin, literalment qabel noqbad fil-kamera. Għadni rriti l-esti għaxol, ma dal-għodu qomt kmini biex nżejjen il-Christmas log.
Biex jinqomt?
Fis-6 nofs qomt, ma mis-sadda kwarta wara. I know, imma vera kontenta bil-Christmas logs daw iż-żarara li ħanati l-ħbib tiegħi. Daw il-medium size tana, rrit naqsam wieħed nar il-ħadd. Li għaddi ma daqtux. Kħani l-għak nduqu issa ma qasandhom li aptit. So issa wara x-xogħol nduqu. Jiena ħammur l-esti għax-xogħol għax vera sar ħin, waqt li kienu qed joqogħdu naqra bdejt naħdem il-ħaqt, qedtilhom ħana sa naqra iktar tard illum għax huma talbuli, ġifieri tax-xogħol qalu li ħaġibilna xi ħaġa tis-sena. Ma jisħawx. Għax is-sena ħadtilhom xi ħaġa. Naħseb Christmas log kol ħattilhom. Le, għamilt il-qaq tal-asel is-sena l-oħra, il-qaq tal-asel u għandi video kol fi żmien milli għamilt qaq tal-asel u qattajthom biċċiet żgħar imsamma u dawwaqthom il-qaq tal-asel. So issa dis-sena ħandawqilhom il-Christmas log. Infatti rid nibgħatilhom ritratt għax għandna group chat tax-xogħol għal min jiġi dak il-coffee break li rejtkom fl-ewwel ġurnata. U ħadni għadrawwa li kull coffee break kważi ikun hemm xi ħadd iġib xi ħaġa miegħu. U l-eżempju l-bieraħ ma ħadd ma ġab xejn, u kulħadd qisu qed jistenna xi ħaġa hekk nixtieq għandi xi cookie ma dal-kafè. Għax bażikament da il-coffee group hemm xi ħadd ix-xogħol li hu mistieden ukoll nhar il-ħadd li ffissat ħafna fuq specialty coffee u vera jifhem, vera bravu jbellaħni jiena jkun jista' jtiem il-flavors tal-kafè minn. U spiċċa għamel dal-grupp u kull darba xi ħadd iġib specialty coffee minn x'imkien insomma. U jiena qatt ma ġib specialty coffee, forsi nġib wieħed minn Malta issa minn għalija fuq Reddit rajt li hemm post wieħed tal-specialty coffee ġifieri li they roast their own coffee beans. So nipprova nġibulhom issa wara l-miliet meta mmur Malta. U llum ovvjament ħanidilhom il-Christmas dog. So għamur lesti u nkellimkom probabbli ix-xogħol meta naqsmu l-Christmas dog u waqt il-White Elephant Game għax illum sakru fittilkom fil-video tal-bieraħ il-White Elephant Christmas event, gift exchange diki. So, let's go, get ready. Ħammur nieħu biċċa Christmas log li tal-HR għax għamlu li pjaċir biex ngħidilhom thank you. Tal-jagħmlu li dal-pjaċir. Yeah, so today is Sinterklaas in the Netherlands and Connie brought, you say it.
I brought a regional specialties. It's called krollen met speculaas, which is krollen is those bread and we have the cookies that go
Yeah, the speculaas are the cookies. And I'm breaking the Sinterklaas rules and I brought Christmas Christmas log.
Loads the optimized data set.
Oh, okay.
Where's your stuff?
You look like a real boss.
Thank you.
So,
I want to get your reactions. I want to see what you think.
Quite nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yay! It's chocolate on top, but it just has cocoa powder and actually a bar of chocolate like grinded in it. But it's chocolate. It's with biscuits. So it's not baked. It's set in the fridge.
It's almost like a fudge.
True. Intu ġob baqftit u ħammur intihom lil tal-reception u lil tal-kantin għax I like them. So li baqa ħantihom lhom. How do you call it? The MVP? Yeah, the MVP of the day. We have Sinterklaas.
Please don't return the cost.
More gifts.
This is memorable. So thank you all for joining this White Elephant gift exchange. The gift exchange today is going to be slightly different than we had last year. Explanation, we're going to get one of the gifts for randomly, and then from that moment on we are going to roll a die, one after the other, and depending on what you roll, we're going to do different things. If you roll number 2, then all the gifts go one to the left, so you give everything to your neighbor. And everyone will love you for it. So we start this game actually, everyone just go to the center and take one gift.
Okay. Oh, 3.
So we swap with the random person and seats to the right. And it's the number in my trigram. No, Sinterklaas, my number is 7. So 1, 2, 3. You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7. Oh, I have a big one. Oh, almost. 2. Not left. No, I lose mine.
Who knew the fast food could settle a score? So open it up, let the chaos begin. Will the chicken or hot dog take home the win?
Oh, good one.
Chicken versus hot dog.
Oh, literally.
Sitting with my gifts back at home, I haven't yet written my poem. Figure out what hint. Christmas, more like sin. All done, back to my chair alone.
The person was very uninspired. Creative block. Oh, yes. These are nice. I saw them. Yeah. 2.
Everything to the left.
Oh no!
Well, not for now. Not with that attitude.
Someone knew that those were very popular the last time.
Yeah! Oh! Yeah!
Would it get the table last year?
I get the table. Your continuation.
Cordless screwdriver.
That's just
That's a good one.
Yes, it's your turn.
Or use just the frame for your photo displays. Would you like me to give a more descriptive?
No, just kidding. It was not AI.
Nice. Oh, that's a joke.
Would you like me to make the poem more friendly?
This actually happened to a politician in Brazil. He was reading a speech and then he's like, would you like me to...
Would you like me to give a more descriptive or funny? Nah, it's okay.
No.
Next time we will do that.
2. All gifts to the left.
Self-made.
6.
Swap 2 gifts to other people.
Holy shit.
Alejandro with me.
You want him to have this, or you want me to have the hot dog chicken?
Okay.
3.
More to the right. Okay.
Kenny. 4.
Oh, your driver.
Did you buy that?
1, 5, 1. Save me. Release me of the
Now you get to...
I can
you
choose
can
and I can unwrap.
Yeah, you choose. It has to be a wrap.
Ooh, that's
person that has to wrap.
No, I don't want. I would like this, but then if it goes to you, there's a chance it comes back to me. So I have to go further. I go to Kenny.
That's smart. Oh. I want to steal that.
Ah, there's a very long poem here. Laptop table is wrong.
Nice.
Tablet stand and okay.
It's a very nice.
I'm gonna open the present.
Oh, cool! Cool!
I want that.
Yeah, I'm like, there are so many presents I want to steal.
One. Okay.
It's mine.
What's your own gift?
Yeah, it's my own gift.
You can swap. You can swap.
Just swap.
Yeah.
Do a swap.
Yeah, swap with someone, that's fine.
Okay, I want that. Sorry, I recognize the wrapping paper. Yeah. Once it's out, I'm like, I like that store. So, I hope this present finds you well, though it might be a hard sell. You may need to mix some flour before you get to devour.
Would you like to make it more funny or no?
Nice! Nice, a good gift. So it's a speculaas, how do you call it? Like mix. Yeah, kit. Yeah, speculaas kit with the cookie cutters. Nice. Thank you.
Round one, you should say.
I think the expected number of two.
I don't mind keeping this.
Exactly. Calculate.
4.
Swap with anyone else. You get to choose what you want.
A compact chopper?
I want that.
A compact chopper!
This is also nice.
Look at that!
Okay, tag team start. I want that one.
Nobody takes this from me.
Aroma diffuser.
Oh!
It's quite big for on the toilet. Okay.
Oh, there is With no thanks to AI, writing this poem was very easy. Just like you, I think it's also very cheesy. Your questionable taste, let's be honest, is not a threat. It's no threat. So really, take this gift. You need all the help you can get. This gift is stylish, practical, and meant to impress. Because I've heard that with that, you rarely have success. Maybe at last, with this in your hand, your hosting skills will no longer be so bland.
And for the record, I didn't use AI, okay?
Whoa! Cheese board and knife set. Wow, that's cool.
Ooh, fast.
Sneaker cleaner. Okay. I like it. Okay. In fact, these need a good clean. This morning when I went to wear it, I'm like, oh, these are a bit dirty.
New from something. Except when this
Albina decided to keep my gift. One.
Oh, you wanna keep it?
Yes.
Yes!
No.
Ah! That's it.
Everyone keeps what they have.
Oh, that's sweet.
We make a picture with everyone.
That's not the point. I realized I can't.
Ażurejtkom, għara mux spiċċajti jena. Wow, I rolled the first one, ġifri I got to keep it, u daċidejt li kelli da, u zammejtu. U ġejt zbelin suq il-rota, ma dos. Għandi għara, għammina nar. ħanuri rigal lajt il-Daniel. U ħanaraw reazzjoni tijaw, u jena naħseb li Daniel ħajjajt. Raħrajt ħajjajt il-lallu, tar imbarat, fil-ħan podġuħ, kif ħan nizlu għom Malta. Sataraw, zgur ħajjajt. So taf li l-lum kelli dak il-gift exchange xol. Oh, jiena taf. Il-gift exchange.
Yeah.
Ħajja ħatara lajt.
Yeah, nsejt istija. Jaw, tal-waffles.
Le! Raklet!
L-allu ħawkun. Tajjeb, mħobbu l-ġaboni. Ux.
Not the reaction I expected.
Ups.
Why don't try?
Twaħħiġ di.
Le! Għax jintom xaddilom l-ħatejt. L-lost aktar imbarat feħan podġuwa. Għax keni jek għalli. Keni għalli dan jillu ħagġa laħjajt. Oh no, Mar.
Fjab li lejte.
Għaddejnej. Ok, dan il-kontent kol kemmu faqaw. Kont lucky,
Feħan it-fawħ.
That's so fun. Għaj spranda dak iż-żumana minn barat. Taf kem kont lucky minn. Għaxġibta fil-vlog di.
X'kien gift?
Jena li għada. Imma kienem da.
Min ġabu dak?
Mark. Li ħajġina l-ħad, san għalaqqakom jom. Somma ta' fuħna subġira. Ija, ħafna. Ħanik, għax taf xrom minna loba, san batara l-vlog għada. Għamilna typical Sinterklaas game li għamlu għawek, l-Olanda ma' tfal. Bazzikament, you roll a die. Fimtu skont il-numru tittamel xaħġ, eżempju, jew ta' ilbu ma taħdejk, jew ma' min trid, fimt?
Mux dija li għamlu di office?
Le, differenti dik White Elephant kif għamilna s-sena l-oħra. U persuna mux ta' qabli ta' qabila, xi roll the number li kella tparta, żewġ gifts ta' xi ħadd. U jien għettila tħobni, għettila bid-duluri għax vera kien bla sens tiegħi il-wieħed li ħadd marit. U jien naf minn xi hot dog u chicken. Dak ma nafx. Le, minn hot dog u chicken ornaments, bla sens. U jew logħba qasna. U daħket għaddejja partatulek u dik l-arustasana kellu din. U partetti għaj ma taħħa, ma tijaw. Umbagħad meta kien misni r-round tiegħi, tellajt numru li kelli l-option inżomm il-gift u nitlaq mill-logħba u jien qed oh my god dari ta' sammejtu. Aħbet. U tiegħi ħadditu għalbina u vera riditu u tellat il-numru li żomm insomma u vera ferħet qalet ma li rajtu vera rittu ma marriċ nuri għax inkella jieħduhuli. U sammitu għaxabu mal-ewwel. So my gift was also a gift. Ija, Kenny tafxħa, cordless screwdriver. Għandhom delivery. Hello, mela morna nixtru. Għax kienet baqa li nixtri xi affarijiet tal-friġġ li ma rridx nixtrihom il-ġimgħa l-oħra għax jieħdu l-ispazju u ma tantx għandna friġġ kbira aħna u xi affarijiet oħra li għandna bżonn għax ħajspiċċaw hekk, però għastemnu jienu aħna nsuqu lura id-dar bir-rota f'taqart u realizzajt li kelli nixtri iż-żejt biex naqli l-aranċini so ħajkollu nqotu murada probabbli xi ħin tal-ġurnata. It's fine, ma importax. Imma issa ħanibda, għax ordnajna by the way pizza, so lejla mux ħansajjar, ma kienx ħansajjar, u għanna ftit pizza to be honest, so ordnajna pizza, delivery, ma nafx fiex ħinġejjar, nara naqra l-mobile biex insegwi. U satanettant, għax mbagħad naħseb ħanaraw film, ħanibda nagħmel il-bigilla u irrid nagħmel caramelized onions u dawk huma l-unika żewġ affarijiet li rrid nagħmel illum għax dalgħodu żejjent il-Christmas dog u waraw bil-ħaq kemm ġew Halloween. Ara, erfajthom hekk f'dal boros u jalqu daw bit-tejp. Imma għamiltilhom iċ-ċfuf ukoll fra Halloween daw li ħanati, daw li ħanżommu għalina u daw ħanaqsmuh nhar il-ħadd. U hawnhekk ara morna nixtru drinks illum u hemm xi ftit fil-friġġ. U daw l-affarijiet kollha li rridu. So ħanibda il-bigilla u nkellimkom aktar tard għax irid niffilmja għar-reels. Da waslet il-pizza ra.
Ara għandha felowla l-pizza.
Ħansaħnu aktar jew niklu.
Mela kisħa.
Kif tgħidli? Jiena kisħa.
Saħnu ftit.
Il-bigilla għadha d-dejja għandi l-pizza ħanikol nofsa jena għax ħallejt il-nofs liħor għal-għada għax kienet baqa nqa soppa wkoll madonna dik stoppa vera milt qasem durajt kemm ħajkun hemm. Sorry qed nitfid-dawl, imma ħanibdew naraw il-film, ħanaraw There's Something About Mary. Suppost kellna naraw Christmas movie, imma ma stajx jisibu wieħed li joġobna tnej u t-tajbin tu bjoni sin kollha rajthom ġa. U il-modern Christmas movies vera narhom cringe. Nisħob ta' rommi jek ta' Hallmark u ta' Netflix. So, ħanaraw dak. Enjoy to me and Daniel. Nej, Margarita ġibna. That's my cue. Oh my god. Il-dax Esquire. As nissan emmen, suppost kalla tkun chill day l-lum. Speċajna ma rajniħx il-film. At least jena vera kont not interested. Vera kien film bella sens. U għandu dak l-attur. ħanara xismu. Oh my god, dal-attur ma niflax nara films tijaw jena vera ma jġbunix comedy movies. Għax ħafna midrabi minn ikunu bella sens, tipo jipruvaw idaħku u l-terment nasaqas nofsu marajna. There's Something About Mary, ħanara xismu, dal-attur. Ben Stiller, illa l kem. Ciao, marrabniġ għabdit naħfad l-nervi. Bizzens ma flaħx naraħ u għatnuqt namel xie affarijiet uħra madwar il-living room għek. Fatt tweet il-ħwejjeġ u insomma, I'm dead there. Dal-lejl kull marqat naħseb xie 5 sijat u nofs. U għada vera ġurnata twila, xrid niprepara l-affarijiet għal-ħadd. U mbagħad wara nofsinhar bejn l-4 u 8 ġejjin 3 ħbieb tiegħi għax għandna il-quarterly cooking club u tal-milli tkun tittilhom li ħanagħmlu jiena. U l-pjan ma kienx li l-party ta' wara, il-party ikun on Sunday ta' l-għada ta' dal-cooking club, so kellu jkun il-ħadd li għadda. Ma kien hemm żewġ minn nies ma stawx il-ħadd li għadda, so kelli mmexxih u biex tagħmel. Apparti li ovvjament peress li ġejjin in-nies irrid insib xi ħin innaddaf ukoll aw il-kċina inkallata. I mean mhux qasek gravi, imma jiena my trained eye naf fejn inħares u hekk. So a very long day. Long outro s-soltu. Imma nispera li ħadd gost taraw dal-video, vera tħakt nagħdu f'dik il-logħba tax-xogħol vera kienet tajba, veru nissuġġerilkom tagħmluha jekk tkunu grupp kbir jekk naħseb trid tkun 8-10 biex tkun fun. Aħna qasna f'kemm konna aktar minn 10 ma żgur. Insomma, ħanħalikom, tisewx like u tagħmlu subscribe. Grazzi ħafna tal-comments by the way li ħallejtu sissa. Kollha qrajthom il-comments sissa. Ma għadni rrid insib ċans inwieġeb ħafna minnhom. Naħseb tal-aħħar żewġ vlogs ma wieġibthomx. Grazzi ħafna u l-lejl tajjeb u narakom għada. Ciao ciao.